Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Matt Bogosian and I'm a real estate agent right here in the Middle Tennessee area. And in today's video, I'm actually sitting in the kitchen of the model home in a community called Brandon Woods. And my goal today is to show you guys around the neighborhood, talk a little bit about the homes and how much those cost and what you get, talk a little bit about the builder, show you some of the amenities, and then also highlight some things about why I think this is such a great location to live. So come on, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first thing that I want to talk about is the location, because I truly believe that Brandon Woods is in a great location if you want to live in Spring Hill. First of all, it is located on the Maury County side of Spring Hill. For those of you that didn't know, Spring Hill is in fact divided between two counties, Williamson and Maury. It's located about 2 miles south of Saturn Parkway off of Port Royal Road. Now, I love that because if you're somebody that needs to travel to Franklin, Brentwood, or even up into Nashville, you have really easy access to I-65. And then secondly, if you want to travel to other parts of Spring Hill, you can jump on Saturn Parkway and get to other areas of Spring Hill really easily with minimal traffic. Another thing that I love about Brandon Woods is right across the street, you've got Fischer Park. Fischer Park is an amazing park. I actually did a video about it last year, so you can look that up. But they've got a giant splash pad there for the kids. They've got a playground, soccer fields, football fields, and then most importantly for you parents, they've got a really nice walking path that goes around the perimeter of the park. So if you like walking or you're looking for a place to run, you could actually walk or run to the park from this neighborhood. Now, earlier I mentioned that it's close to Saturn Parkway. And a reason that that's awesome is there's a great shopping area with restaurants and different stores called The Crossings in Spring Hill. Well, you can easily jump on Saturn Parkway and be to The Crossings in about 10 minutes or less, which is super convenient. One of my favorite restaurants is there called Jonathan's, and I just know if you end up moving to Brandon Woods, you'll probably be eating at Jonathan's quite a bit. Another thing that's really nice is right up the street, literally less than 5 minutes, they just built a brand new Publix. And then if you go over Saturn Parkway, maybe another quarter of a mile at most, they've got a Kroger, there's a Rock and Roll Sushi, there is a Workout Anytime if you need a gym, and then there's, most importantly, a Tito's Mexican restaurant. So as you can see, there's just a lot of stuff around Brandon Woods, and it's a really convenient place to live here in Spring Hill. The next thing I would like to talk about is the builder here in Brandon Woods, and of course the homes, right? Because that's really important to you. You're probably thinking about moving to Tennessee and you'd like to get a nice home that's affordable. So first of all, the builder here in Brandon Woods is called Ole South Homes. That's O-L-E. It's not Old South, it's Ole South Homes. Ole South is actually based out of Murfreesboro, Tennessee, which is about 30 minutes from Brandon Woods. And they are a locally owned and independently operated builder. And they do a really great job. The agent here on site at Brandon Woods is Brandon Wise, and he's been here for 23 years. So when you work with Brandon, he communicates well, he's professional, and he can get you answers to questions really quickly, which is awesome. He's a pro. I love that. As far as the homes here in Brandon Woods, they range anywhere from 1,400 up to around 2,600 square feet. At this time, in February of 2026, the prices are ranging anywhere from $425,000 up to about $540,000. I understand, maybe for some of you that's high, but for here in this area, that is very affordable. And that's why I was so excited to make this video. When you buy a home from them, if it's one that hasn't started yet and they haven't picked everything, you can have the option to make selections on stuff like countertops. You can pick your cabinet colors. You can pick all your flooring, your tile in your bathrooms, and they have a lot of really great options. I actually just recently helped some clients pick their stuff for their new home here, and we had a blast. They really picked some nice stuff, so the home is gonna look awesome. As far as the exteriors, they're gonna have a 2-car front-facing garage. The siding's gonna be all brick and some stone. There might be some like a hardy board or batten board or whatever you call it in some areas, but they're mostly gonna be brick, and you can choose that too if you sign a contract before the home is actually started. And they're also offering some great incentives. I don't want to say them now because I realize those could change, but there are some really good incentives right now to buy a home with Ole South Properties here in Brandon Woods. All right, so let's talk about amenities and the HOA here in Brandon Woods. So first of all, as of right now, they do in fact have one pool. I was talking to Brandon earlier, and they will eventually be building a second pool. And they're probably gonna need to because they still have 400 more lots that they're gonna be building homes on. So there's gonna be a lot more homes in this neighborhood. They have sidewalks throughout the entire neighborhood. There's a playground. And then when it comes to the HOA fee, it is only $50 per month right now. So there's not a ton of amenities, but honestly, there's more than I would expect for a neighborhood with an HOA of only $50 per month. The fact that they even have a pool, I see some neighborhoods with higher HOAs that don't even have pools, and they're gonna end up having 2 here. So I think that's a really great value. It just shows that Ole South Properties is dedicated to not only providing a great product as far as their homes, but a nice community that people are gonna want to live in. All right, so let's talk about schools. Brandon Woods is zoned for Marvin Wright Elementary School, which was officially opened in 2009, and then Battle Creek Middle and Battle Creek High School, which opened in 2019. So those schools are a lot newer. I have no idea what the ratings are for those schools. I will tell you, at one point I did a deep dive to try to research those schools and find out the scoop, if they were good or bad. And the way I did that is I went onto some of the local Facebook groups and I started searching the names of the schools. And I saw a lot of good and positive posts about those schools. That's really all I can tell you, but I will say do some research and don't just look at the ratings. Try to do something like what I did and try to really see what people are saying about the schools that have kids that actually go there. All right, y'all. So if you like what you saw in today's video and you think you might be interested in moving to Brandon Woods or maybe somewhere else in Spring Hill, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. You can click on that link. It takes you to my calendar and you can pick a day and time that works best for you to jump on a call with me and discuss your options. I appreciate you guys watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.